All right, everybody, this is a guided walkthrough for the Click Me challenge over at olicyber.it. So this challenge over here, it says, I created a clicker game. Can you get to 10 million cookies? Website is over here. So let's go ahead and right click on that link and put a new tab. All right, so each time you click on this website, it's going to increase the number of cookies by 1. Of course, what they want you to do in this challenge is they want you to get to the number 10 million. So, I mean, we could sit here and we could click until we get to the number 10 million. It would probably take a really long time. We don't want to do that. Let's talk about what's actually going on here. So this is olicyber Click Me, and what we're doing in this case is we're doing some cookie spoofing. So this challenge instructs us to click 10 million times to get 10 million cookies. Each time we click on this website, we get a cookie, but we don't have the patience to click 10 million times. So if we go into the web browser developer tools, we see there's a cookie being used to keep track of how many times we've clicked, and we can edit its value to complete the challenge. So let's talk about how we do that. So we'll go over to the website over here, then we'll go over to the browser options button over here, and we can click on this option that's labeled More Tools. So inside of More Tools, there's this option here called Web Developer Tools. We'll click on that, and this will bring us over to the Web Developer Tools. There's a bunch of web developer tools we can use, such as the inspector, the console, the network, and it's represented by each one of the tabs over here. What we want to do is we want to access the storage tab. So the storage tab has information such as cookies. So if we click on cookies over here, there are cookies for each one of these websites or associated with each one of these websites. So we'll click on the website we want to, that we want the cookies for, and we see that there's a cookie called cookies with a value of 39 for this domain over here. This is the website we're looking at. So what we do is we edit the value and we put in the number that we want, and we want the number 10 million. So it's 10 and 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Press enter to enter the value, and then reload the page to use the new cookie. Okay, and when we do that, we receive the flag. So the flag over here is called flag never trust cookies. Okay, so what we can do is grab the flag, copy it, then go back to the challenge. In the challenge, if you haven't solved the challenge before, there's a little field where you can paste in your flag and then submit it to solve the challenge. But in my case, I've already solved the challenge. All right, everybody, I hope you learned something. This was the Click Me challenge from olicyber.it. If you enjoyed this guided walkthrough, please click on the like and subscribe buttons on the video and leave a comment underneath the video. But until next time, HackerFrogs, out.
Hey there, HackerFrogs! Are you enjoying this workshop? Learning new concepts and skills? If so, there's a way you can support the channel, and it's totally free. Just click on the subscribe button below the video. Also, click on the like button, and if you have questions or comments on this workshop, please leave them below the video. Thanks for listening. And now, back to our scheduled programming.